Come test drive the 2017 MKC. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power lift gate, remote keyless entry, dual power mirrors, rear wiper. Inside you'll find backup camera, heated seats, Bluetooth, push-button start, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, tilt steering wheel, climate control, power driver's seat. The Lincoln MKC is a stylish and nimble-handling luxury crossover vehicle. With a long list of standard features, the MKC is sure to please. The exterior and interior offer a contemporary look that is sure to turn some heads. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.